Alright guys, welcome back to another upload. In this one we're going to be looking into the final interior fix, I guess. That would be the door panel. So I haven't had any luck locating a door panel replacement. So I'm going to take it apart and see if it's an insert that fits into the door, and if I can maybe somehow re-glue it or use a different fabric to replace it, or whatever the case may be. But that's my plan for, I don't know if it'll be the whole upload, but that's what we're going to start doing. So let's jump into removing this door panel. So on first look, it looks like we just have three. Let's see here. We got one there, and one there. Three. They're Torx bit. Oh, that one doesn't have one. So it looks like two Torx bits. And I don't see any other like spots where there might be a screw. So we're gonna have to be real careful not to break this in case we do end up reusing it. So let's get those screws out. They're either T20s or T25s. Haven't tried yet. But let's take those out, and then what we'll do is we'll start at the bottom because we know we got those screws, and we'll just try a little bit of prying to see if it's just clips after that. So, in addition to the two at the bottom, I have found, it appears, two more screws. So what we got one in the back, was right here on the very front edge. You can't see it, I took it out, but it's right where my finger is, right here at the top. Get you a better view there, right here. The other one is, let's see here, this door opens. God, this interior is such crap. Then we got these two right down in here. So there's one there, and the other one is there. That one looks a bit larger, like a T40 maybe? T40? Let's see if we got one of those. Looks about right. So T40, so let's get those off because I think I've gotten all the clips. I think that is the only thing holding it on. So let's get those off and see. Alright, so first off, those were not T40s, they were T30s. So there's that correction, two T30s. Then there are basically two electrical connections. So this one you just pinch these guys on the outside. And this one is I forget what they call them, but it is essentially this guy. So you just press on this button here, press on this button, and this purple thing releases. You press on the button here and the purple thing releases. The clasp releases, and then you pull it out. That's pretty simple. So everything here looks fine. And then the last thing is basically your cable, your door release cable, or whatever you want to call it. So basically all you do here is you lift up on this and pull it out. it just pushes in, and it just pushes in this direction and clips. And you got to hook this first, of course, but after you take this off, you just unhook it and you're good to go. Pretty simple. So what we need to do now is figure out if that is an insert or what we got going on here, which is not good because that part is plastic welded on. Crap. You can see it right here. This is a plastic welding point. Get you a little bit of light here. So basically, all of these points right here on the back side, and here, and here, so what's here, those are all, see them all up in here, 2, 3, 4, whatever, those are all the plastic welding points for that section of the door panel. Ugh, that stinks. That is a bummer. That means we need a door panel and not just that insert. Crap. Okay, well, at least we know. So we're going to keep this door just in case, door panel, just in case we need any fasteners, in case somebody has robbed this off of there or taken our foam. So we'd like to replace it to OEM. So in doing so, you have to make sure that you keep all of your harness and all your little accessories. Yeah. So with that being said, we're gonna leave this. Sure. Okay, that's not so bad. We'll make sure that we leave the door panel off, which is a bummer. So I do need to find that door panel. So I guess I'm just gonna have to keep looking, really. That stinks. Stinks. But at least we know what we need now. We have to find the door panel. There was another one that was in the junkyard this week. I need to double check. I don't think it was the right interior. It was a lighter interior. So I'm going to double check that. I'm going to double check that and see if we can't get the door panel off of it. I'm going to guess that I'm not going to be able to because they always seem to be the first things to go. And if need be, we can take this silver strip off. So if we don't find something that's an exact fit, we can always take that silver strip off. So that's okay. So that's a bummer, but we at least got a good window switch. Everything else seems to be okay. But yeah, that's a bummer. So we're going to set this to the side. I don't want to put it in the car because that glue is getting everywhere. So we're going to set it right over here for now. And move on to, there's one more little thing I wanted to address while we're here in the car. And that would be, throw this guy in here, cleaning stuff to the other side. That is this. So I need to clean, see if I can't scrub that section out of there. That little dirt spot there. See if we can't scrub it out. But also my headliner is, yeah, there you go, is falling out. So I don't know if that's as simple as a taking this down and tucking it and just kind of stretching the fabric out. Ooh, that seems to be one piece. Or if I can just like staple that up there, because it doesn't, I mean, ooh, look at that. I didn't know those were up there. Got me some new sunglasses. Look at that fancy stuff. So this is the only area I haven't cleaned yet, but man, these big Volkswagen interiors are cheap. So I need to wipe this down. I'll wipe that one down and I'll try to scrub that out. And then this whole upper piece. And then after that, the interior will be done. We were able to clean that section of the headliner. That turned out really good. So I was not able to, I really can't get anything on that, so I think I might just leave that. It isn't, you know, I'm not perfecting any of these cars, so little things like that I'm gonna let go. If it's the reason, which I doubt it, if it's the reason that I can't sell this thing, then at that point I'll go and fix that. I don't know if I'm going to need a headliner or whatever the case may be, but I'll fix it. But for now, I'm not going to bother with it. I'm really more interested in finding this door panel. So I need to go do a little research and see if I can't find that. Hopefully I can pick one up tomorrow. That would be excellent. But I haven't been able to find one to this point, so I'm not overly optimistic, but we're going to go look and see if I can't locate one of those. And then once that is back on, and the rest of this is tore apart so that I can get the windshield replaced. I haven't had any luck in finding one, so I'm probably just going to pay somebody to come out and do it. I'm going to try to find a local guy so it's not as expensive. And then, for the most part, the interior should be complete. Yeah, the interior should be complete at that point. So, all that's left is to button up the front, which we should be doing very, very soon, because I've ordered all the parts that I need, and some of them have arrived, some of them have not. I'm super excited to get doing that. So I was not able to find a Rabbit specific core support, but I was able to find a Jetta core support for a pretty good price, which is right there in that big old box. And if you look right up there, we've got another surprise. So we will be unboxing those and the other boxes that haven't come in yet. We'll be doing those when they come in. Should be in the next day or two. I'm hoping to have this all back together, with the exception of the door panel, because I don't know how long it will take me to find one. But when I do, that should be the final piece that I don't have apart from the windshield. I'm hoping to get the windshield done this coming week. Today is Friday, so after this weekend, sometime this week. I'd really love to come and have that replaced. So at that point, we are ready to go. The only thing left at that point that I'm missing is the title. I actually still haven't got it yet. I called them today and said that they said that it should be here mid-next week. So hopefully by mid-next week, this thing will be ready for a wash, final review, and put up for sale, because it's about time we get something else on the channel. Let this thing go and start working on something else. With that being said, yeah, I'm not gonna. With that being said, the other thing that we've got for the project is, or for the channel, is that guy way back there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. So we will be working on that in the future, in the near future actually. But I haven't gotten in touch with my dad yet to see when he's going to start sending parts and what it all is he wants to do. So that is coming also. So we got a couple things coming up on the channel. I'm going to start jumping back into this as it gets cooler, because it's supposed to do that very, very soon. Because I'm not going to lie to you, welding and using the torch is not fun when it's almost 100 degrees outside. So we'll be getting back on this shortly. Not a whole lot to do, and then I want to send it out to get blasted. So that's another video. Hopefully they'll let me film a little bit of that. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, so we got a lot of things coming up. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.